Oh yeah! Dayton Dave here. Road Trip Rich is kind of my cameraman. And we're at the gravesite of Elizabeth Ann Hulette. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Many of you know her better as the lovely Miss Elizabeth, who was best known for her days as the valet and wife of Randy Macho Man Savage. And she found an untimely death, only lived to be 43. Well, by the date she was only 42 years old. She was with another wrestler at that time. Many of you might have heard of Lex Luger. So unfortunately she met her time a little earlier than many of us would want. Rich, you were a younger man back then. Did you find Miss Elizabeth a little attractive?
Oh yeah.
She was a hottie back in the day.
Yeah,
well,
as we used to say, a fox.
Yeah, she was a fox up until her final days, but she was big time of when wrestling exploded, and definitely if she's not in the Wrestling Hall of Fame, she should be. So Miss Elizabeth, this tribute is for you. And who knows where the Tolle Road will lead to next.